תומר, אתה רוצה את אותו דבר. קצת חומוס הרבה חריף, סלט טוב לבן. גם לאפה, חומוס, חריף, מאוד, סלט טוב לבן. ככה לוקח את הבא שלך. עכשיו אני גם כתחילה. תכף אני אוסיף שתייה. אפשר בן צ'יפס? הוא מגיע. זה חלק מהגיל, כן. מה אתה רוצה? איזה שתייה? שתייה... זה חלק מהגיל. סבבה. אוקיי. נשאר כמובן.
Yep, thanks for staying connected, Shlomi. So let's get into the scenario. What really error you're getting while trying to set up with the single sign-in?
Okay, so like today I succeeded to like to enter with the SSO with the SAML. I think it's worked.
Oh, great!
Yeah, I think it's worked, but I want to like get progress with the provisioning, and now I get like a new error. I want
Enable. It's just asking for you to accept it.
What?
Yeah, I mean, just as it shows here, provisioning, enable provisioning for this application. So it's just asking you to enable this in order to proceed ahead. Or you can just go with the preview mode. So in order to see whether...
But I want you to see what happened when I do reauthent. If I do the live mode, like check what happened. So I installed this application on the Google Admin, CyberArk Next Gen Access. I enter with my username. That my username have like a super admin permission in the Google.
Yep.
And I click on the allow. Every time I get different error. Now I get this error. I don't know.
Okay, probably. Okay, so CyberArk. So as being the admin is asking for an edit because of that access. Okay, got it.
And before like I do a lot of tests. I try to do it with in incognito mode. I try to do the same things in incognito mode, and I get this error too. So sometimes I get this error, the authorization error. Sometimes I get the CyberArk error.
Got it. Got your point.
Okay, so what I wanted to do, maybe to fix it, because it's like one time it's like succeed to me. So I tried to, maybe I don't know how to do it, but I wanted to like delete the application, the API, this one, but I don't know how to delete it. So
okay, got it.
I don't know if this is the problem, but it's have all the permission it need.
Yeah.
If I the access, I see trusted.
Or you can just block the access if you'd like to block. Probably there is an option. I mean, if you don't want to use this app,
no,
an option.
I want to use this app, but maybe it needs to be refreshed or delete and like install.
Okay, you meant to say okay. So deleted it and again to reinstall it, right?
Yeah.
So then things might work. So you're opting that might be one of the scenario.
I think, I don't know, I went by this guide, if you see. I don't know what it is.
Got it.
But I get to this guide. I don't know if the configuration I did.
Okay.
Like if the configuration is good, but I followed this guide, and then I arrived to the provisioning and it's failed.
So at the time of provisioning,
this one.
The error sustains. It keeps on sustaining. In incognito mode, there is another kind of error which is pretty similar to this in the general website as well. Got it.
Okay.
Okay, I'm checking on the inner details of this. Alright, checking the same.
Like the first time we tried to configure it with legacy SSO profile, but we don't want to work with legacy, so now we work with like the normal SSO profile.
CyberArk. Yeah, CyberArk SSO.
The problem that the CyberArk, I will show you. It's difficult for me to explain. CyberArk SSO Google Workspace. I think they didn't update the application here, and they work only with the legacy. I don't know. This guide is for the legacy.
Okay, I think so that might be one of the reasons for not working in a way which it has to be. Probably it has a defined thing to work with legacy rather than the new one which you would like to work. Okay, let's go with this.
Hi, Anita. How are you? Good to see you.
I'm checking regarding the same, Shalmi. I see that, as for this as well, when I'm just go through one of the document, so regarding the configuration and activation, we get to see that it's regarding IDP SSO configuration with the domain name. That is what we're doing. And to set up with legacy SSO, which you would not really like to do, right? So you'd like to go with CyberArk SSO. rather than going with the legacy profile.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
There is any way like to, it's not very important, but to delete this legacy SSO profile? I don't feel like it's disabled, but I don't know how to delete it. It's not important for now, only I'm asking.
Yeah, I'm checking. Okay, let's check what are the other options we are having. I'm checking with the internal team, the same.
If you can see, I opened the
Yeah.
support case before, and they told me this.
Sorry?
If you can see my mail, you see
Yeah,
my
I'm
mail?
seeing your screen. Yeah. Yep.
I
I am.
opened the case on the same problem before, and they
Mm-hmm.
sent me this one, but I don't know how to do it, like if it's fixed. They typically when the authorization code could not be exchanged for a refresh token. This can happen if authorization code was incorrect or if too much time passed between.
Authorization on the changes which you have done. Okay. Got your point.
But by the way,
So this is
about this,
sorry?
no, I say about this case,
Yeah.
I like
Mm-hmm.
send them the HR file, this one.
Yeah, hard file, yeah.
Yeah, and even I recorded a video, but I think they closed this case and
Could you please help me with the case number? I'll check on priority. Yeah, I think it's there. Yeah, I'm checking it. It's 06563 Checking on priority. Just give me a sec. Yeah, I see that the code. Okay.
what's your name by the way?
I'm Sri Lakshmi.
How? What is your name?
Sri Lakshmi.
Ah, difficult name.
Hi, you can go ahead with Sri.
Sure. Okay.
Cool. Yep, regarding that case, they have sent you a follow-up email on June 17th on the case which was closed. Yeah, this case. So the email which states that auto provisioning, yeah, IDP only. So hopefully you can check email if you have received any. So as they sent an email, you'll be receiving an email. Yeah, you probably received an email at June 17.
This one?
I don't think so. Probably. The, yes, yes, yeah. The below one.
This one?
I mean, no. Which you opened earlier. In the same email, there was another
This?
email as well. Yeah, this one. There's a which states regarding IDF support. I mean, where it can all be done with the IDP.
The issue is out of scope for us. To troubleshoot the issue, can you please? So I need to check with my IDP support.
Provided regarding that, because it's issue is happening from their end rather than while you're trying to provisioning, it is not happening. Probably I would say that the issue rather than occurring with Workspace mostly goes with the IDP support. So they might have an access to why the scenario is happening consistently. So you can get to know the info of that.
Yeah, like I already talked with the IDP support. They don't know what to do. So I talk with you with Google. Like you tell me to talk with my IDP support. When I talk with my IDP support, they tell me to talk with Google. So.
Oh, I understand. You're really being from post to pillar. I truly understand that.
Yeah.
So, okay. As for the response received from my internal team, I get to see that it can be set up only 3 legacy SSO rather than which you would like to go with cyber. Yep, the setup can be done with only legacy.
It's support only.
If not, it could be, if not, it's the IDP vendor to update their integration. So the IDP vendor can update the integration. Google integration.
So the all the SAML with the provisioning can work only with the Google legacy profile. This is what
As
you
of
see.
this,
Sorry.
yeah, not a big deal. Shami will get this resolved. So I just checked with my tech team regarding what really is happening, and you're just being pillar to post a long time. No worries. I'll give you my word. It will be sorted. So as I checked with my team, and they say that there could be an intervention of a specialist team, which is called as a development team. And once I clearly info what really is happening, once I clearly give a clear notes on your case to the particular team, which is development team, and they'll get back to you via email or meet, just as how I'm giving you a call. So they'll take a closer look onto your case and give us certain things which need to be done on your query. If there is anything internal need to be raised from the tech team, everything will be done from their end. So I would say just probably you will get a resolution, a response from the development team not more than pretty quick, I would say, very soon, as your concern is being long lagged. So I'll make sure that you will be receiving a response from the development team very soon.
Okay, so they will call me in a few days.
Yeah, I wouldn't say in a days. Once I updated detail notes and everything, and I transfer your case to the development team, in the next very soon they'll be updating you via email and you can just get back to them. I mean, if the next steps will be according.
I can ask for you another thing. Sorry, but
Sure, please go ahead.
Like the English is very difficult for me. So I don't understand all the things you say because it's not because you talk fast and I don't understand all. So if you can like write for me like in like sentence, like you can write for me email what will be next, like who will call me and what you see and with this and what is the team that will work with me.
Sure. I'll send you an email on that. That's for sure.
Okay.
Once we end the call and everything is done, I'll send you an email that to which department your case is being transferred, your query is being transferred. I'll send you an email on that.
Okay, so
great.
Yeah, great. So only I will proceed to work with the other team to find a solution to work with the normal SSO profile, not the legacy. Yes?
That will be, as you wanted to go with the cyber thing, so let's see what the development team says. Hopefully they would try to work according to you only. So as that's being a specialist team, so they'll be taking care from hereafter once you transfer your case. So they'll have a detailed info whether it need to be worked with the legacy SSO or with the CyberArk which you would like to work. So that's how it goes on.
Okay. So only what I said for you before. I will be happy if you can write for me like how do you say like a summary of our
sure.
That I will know what to do and okay.
Sure. I'll definitely. In the next few minutes, probably I will be sending you an email to the same email address where I shared your Google Meet link, and you'll be knowing the next process, to which team I have transferred your your case, and how they'll be approaching to you.
Okay, I understand. And can I ask you like more two questions, like only to understand the SSO, like it's not working for super admin users, right?
Yeah.
Like this is in purpose that it don't work. No.
So it just says that it is not, because I'm not pretty developed with the external skills what the developed team has. So I think that one of the future is not being. We might not turn on it, or there is some other tool which need to be there in order to turn on. As you're not as you're receiving a notification as admin to contact admin in order to have this access. That's the summary of the notification which you're receiving. So in order to get to detailed info on that, because of this scenario, I'm transferring your case to the next level higher team, which is the development team.
Okay.
So they'll help you in understanding. As you being an admin, it's not any scenario. There is nothing wrong with your account. It's just the settings which need to be done internally. They will be done with the help of you. So, hopefully things work for you.
Okay. So, thank you.
Yep. Thank you, Sharma. I hope you had a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.
You too. Thank you. Bye.